Hey there, what is going on? I'm gonna show you a new interesting tool in Adobe Illustrator. So we got the type and you go and long click on this. You got the type tool and here is this touch type tool. With this, basically you can edit separately all the typography, and of course after that you can still rename the whole thing. So but yeah, you can move these freely. The only problem is it doesn't snap to pixel, or it doesn't snap everywhere. It doesn't have the magnetic tool, so it just moves wherever you want it freely, and that's a little bit problematic because when you need to snap it somewhere, you won't be able. You also can like scale these down or scale these up or do whatever you want. And it's a really interesting tool at the end of the day. I pretty like it. And after that, you still can recustomize it. I don't know if you can rotate it. I don't see that option here. But you definitely can move things around in here. If I select it from here, no, it won't. Okay. Yeah, so I got this. I'm gonna create a new copy, and as you can see, I double click on it and I still can rename these. I don't know, but if I delete this and I want to rename it again, it won't go into this kind of template style. Basically, it's going to remake the whole thing. So yeah, this is how this interesting tool works. It's pretty fancy. It's right here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the other videos also. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.